Work around Camp Nou keeps moving fast. Each day brings new visible progress, new details, and more signs that the stadium is getting closer to its final shape. Today's update has a lot to show, so let's dive in. Exciting news is that for the upcoming match against Osasuna, we might finally see full capacity in the first and second tiers, including the fan zone, which would bring us to 62,000 spectators. We'll see if that's possible, but for now, let's enjoy the construction updates. Let's start with the hottest zone in the stadium regarding ongoing work. The parking ramp here is almost complete, fully shaped and ready. But the real star of the show are these decorative Louvres. What a thrill to see them. From this side, we can appreciate the full length of the sector. The Louvres are designed to look different from each angle, giving a unique visual effect from various viewpoints. And each row makes the stadium look more complete from the outside. The installation team is placing them section by section. On the north goal side, the progress is even more noticeable. Workers have added new steel components and continued closing gaps in the structure. The alignment of the levels looks tighter now, showing that this side is moving toward its final layout. Over at the south goal, the crew has been busy. More structural pieces have been installed, and the shape of the area looks cleaner and more defined now. The work around the lower levels is moving steadily, with fresh concrete sections set in place. You can also see new support elements being fitted, which means they are preparing for the next layer of construction. Step by step, this side is starting to match the rest of the stadium's upgraded look. The future café diamond is getting its aluminum framework, which will hold the glass panels. We also see small pillars being set, which will likely be concreted later. These interior shots allow a much closer look at the finishing touches. In the tribune sector, we have a major update. The second escalator section leading to the museum has arrived, completing one full connection from the atrium. The right side escalator will wait for its second piece. Inside the stadium, the first VIP ring is taking shape day by day, and the second VIP ring is advancing nicely too. The interior views, especially during match days, show the details up close. The diamonds, the finishes, everything. Construction crews are placing structures and panels that will define the stadium's personality for years to come. Finally, from Gold South to the corner with the tribune, we can enjoy the panoramic aerial views that highlight the stadium's profile and ongoing work. The museum is still under construction, but slowly the spaces are being completed. Every update brings us closer to fully enjoying the stadium, inside and out. That's the latest progress from Camp Nou for today. The transformation is moving fast, and every update makes the final look easier to imagine. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Global Mega Builds for more updates. Stay tuned for a full view of the stadium and all the detailed progress inside Camp Nou.